Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with a Rocket Giotto Evolution. This machine was brought in because a customer said that the shots were unbalanced, and so we did a tune-up, a group head overhaul of the E61 group, basically disassembling the whole thing, replacing the internal parts, polishing down everything else, soaking it, cleaning and lubricating, and replacing the gaskets as well as the screen and group head gasket up in here. And so here it is, functioning once again, and we're going to pull a shot with it. There's no drip tray that came with it, so I'm just going to hold this espresso cup while the shot pulls. Beautiful. Set it down. Yes. Alright, we'll stop here and we'll see a healthy discharge from the E61 group. There it is. Beautiful. Okay, let's test the hot water here. Looking good. Some steam. Also looking good. Alright, there it is. Rocket Giotto working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.